in this video, we're going to go over how to create your own devotional like the ones that you see right here on this page. I've provided 8 custom templates for you so that you can choose from them and you can update your own daily devotional to Amazon KDP. So this video is going to walk you through basically just going inside of the template, editing it, and then uploading it to Amazon KDP and getting it published for sale. Okay, so if you would like to have a copy of the templates, then there is a link below this video that you can purchase the templates and you can follow along with this video. The devotional layouts, they are each set up into 5 different sections. So you'll see here on your contents, it allows you to give the topics for 5 different sections. So let's open this up so you can see all the pages. So the first page is a dedication page, then you have your table of contents, and then this page is meant for you to put the topic of the section. So let's say this particular section is all about love. For section number 1, we'll just write the one word for the topic. So you can put whatever you like there. Next, this page gives you the option to write like a little short story or insert, and then like a quote here at the bottom. And then the next page allows you to give your readers take action steps. So you can give them 3 take action steps that they can take after reading this insert here. The next page will be like 2 questions so that your readers can reflect. And then the last page is a quote page. So you just put a quote there. So this particular order repeats 6 different times. So basically each section for each topic, remember there's 5 topics, you have the opportunity to write 6 little short inserts or stories, okay? So you see you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it's on to the next topic, okay? So it's pretty self-explanatory. You'll go through and you'll switch everything out. I do recommend that you keep this black and white, and the reason we're keeping it black and white is for printing cost, to keep the printing cost down with Amazon. Once you get into color on all of your pages, the cost does go up significantly. Okay, so you will use this same layout throughout the devotional. This devotional is 127 pages. So this is actually formatted for a 5.5 by 8.5 book, the little small book. So this is formatted for that size. It's not formatted for any other size. It's for 5.5 by 8.5. Okay. So once you're all done, you are going to click on this share button and you're going to download it and you're going to get it ready for print. Okay, so you're going to save it as a PDF print. I would say just select CMYK and then hit download. So this is the PDF that you're going to upload to Amazon once it's all done. Okay, so once you've made all of your changes, your wording is in there, this is when you'll update it, or this is when you will download it for Amazon. So in the next section, I'm going to show you how to go and we'll go to your cover page, okay? So I'll show you what your cover page looks like and how to download that, and then we'll get you uploaded to Amazon. Okay, so once you have your cover page opened, you will see here that you can go in and you can update anything that you like, the title. Keep everything in its same place because this is actually formatted for the 5.5 by 8.5 inch book, okay? So if you change the placement of things, then it's going to be off, okay? So again, this page is already formatted for you. You don't have to worry about doing any sizing or anything. The only thing you need to do is go in and change like the quote on the back, change the wording here, change the title, and of course you can make any changes to these elements if you like, okay? So once you're done making all those changes, you are just going to go and click share, and you're going to download, and you're going to download it as a PDF um, print. Choose CMYK and hit download. Okay, so now I want to show you how to go over to Amazon and upload your book so that you can publish it. Okay, so you're going to go over to Amazon KDP, um, and then you're going to click on the option to create, and you're going to choose hardcover. We're going to do the hardcover version. I feel like it's a really nice touch to your devotional. Okay, so then you're going to put in your book title. Okay, then you're going to scroll down. If it's a series, you can put add to series, edition number. It's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to put your name as the author or whoever the author is, any contributors, and then you'll put a description here for your book. Okay, next, publishing rights. Most people are going to choose I own the copyright and I hold necessary publishing rights, so we'll select that option. Primary audience, sexually explicit images or titles, that's no. You can do the reading age if you like, that's optional. Primary marketplace, Amazon.com. You can see it gives all these different options. Mine will be Amazon.com. For categories, you're just going to go in and choose the categories that fit your devotional the best. So for me, I'm just going to choose, let's see, self-help. I usually like to choose that one. Subcategory, let's do personal transformation, self-help, spiritual is fine. Save categories. Okay, does your book classify as any of these types? Low content book? Yes, this would be a low content book. Okay. And then you can put in keywords if you like. All right. Publication date, keep that the same. All right. And then you'll just hit save and continue. And then we are going to go ahead and publish without an ISBN. This is going to be black and white with or black and white interior. Now, I will tell you that the cream paper gives it a nice little vintage touch, so I like to choose the cream paper option. You're more than welcome to do the white paper, but I love the cream paper option. And we're going to select the size. This is actually 5.5 by 8.5. Bleed. And then I like a matte cover. You can choose glossy if you like, but I prefer matte. That's totally up to you. And then we're going to upload the manuscript. So the manuscript, this is going to be the interior that we did first. So let's open that. So that is the interior, is the inside of the book. So it's the 127 pages that we edited. Then you're going to go down. You're going to use upload a cover you already have. Upload your cover file and go grab that cover. Okay, scroll down. AI generated content. You're just going to write, if you used AI to help you with generating any text, images, or translations, then you would choose yes. If not, no. Okay, and then launch previewer. Now, we'll tell you this part takes a while, so it's going to tell you to get up, go grab some coffee. You definitely will have the option to do that because this does take a little while. So let this load, and then we'll come back and make sure everything looks good and it's good to go. Okay, so once it's done thinking and processing, you will see that it shows you how everything will fit. Everything looks good and everything's in the red line. So if you do have any issues, it will tell you over here on the side underneath quality check. But if you kept everything, sorry, let me go back here. I don't know. I didn't mean to. Okay, so if you kept everything within the template, within the lines, you didn't like go way outside, then everything's going to be fine and it's going to check out. Okay. So that's why using these templates is so good for Amazon, because it cuts down the headaches for you. So everything looks good to go. You'll click approve. All right. Now, if we scroll down, it's going to tell you that the print cost for each book is going to be $7.17, which is pretty good for a hardcover book. And we're going to click save and continue. That's going to be your printing cost. And then this next page, you're going to select the territories that you want. All territories is good. Primary marketplace is already done. Now you're going to put the price that you're going to list it. So let's say we're going to make it, let's see, $29, or let's say $25 or $27. Okay. You can really choose the price that you want to do. Okay, so this is going to be on the Amazon Marketplace. Now, if you want to order your books at cost, because you see that the royalty you're getting is $9.03. So, this is the amount that you'll make. But if you get the books, the author copies, and you sell them on your own platform, then you're able to make more of a profit margin. But then that's you having to order them and then having to ship them out as people purchase them. So I say just, focus on getting your first devotional up here on Amazon, push some traffic to it. And if you want to do that option later, you can. Okay. So you go ahead and price it, and then you're just going to click publish your hardcover book. Okay. And then you are all set and good to go. The next screen, it does give you the option to do, like, to publish as an ebook. We're not going to go over that now, but it does take up to 72 hours before the book becomes available. So give it some time. So you are all done, and that's your first devotional published and ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're finding value, and check out some of my other videos.